Hello. So you're an accountant or you're in the accounting field. You've heard of Diploma in IFRS, or maybe you know it very well, but you're not entirely sure if this is a certification for you. Let me tell you this about the Diploma in IFRS. So the Diploma in IFRS is a single exam certification. It covers IFRS in depth. It's split into 5 key areas. You have conceptual framework and standards covering IAS 8, IFRS 1, conceptual frameworks. You have single entity financial statements with IAS 16, 38, IFRS 15, 16, and others. Consolidated financial statements with IFRS 10, 3, 11, and IAS 28. You have specialized topics like IFRS 9, 13, IAS 21, 33, and emerging issues like IFRS 18 and recent amendments. So this is not just a theory, it's how a global company like Unilever, Shell, HSBC prepare their actual financials. So, what will you be doing if you learn a diploma in international financial reporting? So, by the end of your DipIFR journey, you will be able to prepare and interpret IFRS compliant financial statements for single entities and groups, of course, apply complex standards like IFRS 15 for revenues, IFRS 16 for leases, IFRS 9 for financial instruments, and consolidate subsidiaries, associates, and joint ventures using IFRS 10, 11, and 28. Handle foreign currency transaction, impairment testing, and explain IFRS statement to stakeholders. So confidently advising on mergers, disposals, and financial instruments. So this isn't just about passing an exam, it's about gaining skills that the employer have very highly in demand at the moment. So let me give you an example. Imagine you're working for a company acquiring a subsidiary in Germany. With DipIFR, you'll know exactly how to account for goodwill, apply IFRS 3, consolidate the subsidiary's financials with IFRS 10, and handle foreign currency transaction with IAS 21. Yes, that's applicable expertise. It's not just textbook knowledge. So it does offer career benefits, definitely with career advancement, where 20 to 30% more salary is given to IFRS or DipIFRS holders. Over 140 companies use IFRS, and even those who do not use IFRS, they still rely on IFRS in some aspects. So you will learn practical skills that you can apply day to day on your accounting function or job, whether you're in audit, corporate finance, or financial planning and analytics. So IFRS is the language of global business. It's definitely a flexible program with a high return on investment. So it's just one exam. Average cost in total is somewhere around $1,000, and it usually takes anywhere between 3 to 6 months to complete it. 8 months tops, perhaps. Very few candidates have taken longer to actually earn the certification, and you won't have to maintain it, but definitely staying up to date would be very wise. Now, how to pass it? So what you need to actually consider is how to study. So definitely you would need the proper resources. Morgan International is partnered with BPP, which is an official provider for the ACCA, the official grantor of the diploma in IFRS. So you will receive your textbooks, your practice and review kit, your pass cards. Ebook is also available if you wish to have it, to be able to study digitally in all locations maybe. And definitely make sure to plan your studying accordingly. When you register with Morgan, you attend a class of over 35 lectures, and you would want to focus mainly on group accounting and consolidated statements, which is 30 to 35% of an exam score. And IFRS 15 and 16 would account to 20 and 25% of the exam score, and definitely learn all the rest. But 50% is with these two sections. You need to learn your time, so practice with previous exams. And if you want more support, Morgan team is always available for answering any questions that you may have at this point. So what do you need to do to be eligible for the DipIFR? Well, if you're a practicing accountant and you are a member of your local society for accounting, you probably already qualify for the DipIFR. If you don't, If you're not already qualified, then you may require 2 years of experience in accounting and a bachelor's degree that would grant you exemptions to the applied knowledge parts of the ACCA certification and the business law. But if you have 3+ years of experience, you will automatically qualify for the diploma in IFRS exam. Now, if you don't have 3+ years of experience, 2 years of experience might also still be sufficient, but you will need to have passed all the ACCA papers as well for the ACCA qualification. So it's a very, very easy to be eligible for the DipIFR if you're an accountant and a practicing accountant. Definitely the content is going to be covered with our expert subject matter expert instructors on the Diploma IFRS, and it is definitely a certification that any accountant would need because it will present you with the tools necessary to advance from a number cruncher to a business advisor in any company that you may be employed with. So you want more details? You have all the details necessary in the email and the contact details at the bottom. You can reach us through the website, our WhatsApp, and our other office numbers depending on your locations. Looking forward to hearing from you, and we'll be more than happy to help you achieve that diploma.